Hey everybody, here's another explanation of a square on Tech Bingo. This one's down near the bottom and it's the beat goes on. The beat goes on will take you to a link that will take you to a app called Drumbit. Drumbit is a pretty cool drum. It's a thing that you can create your own beat by just clicking on the squares. You hopefully will take a little bit more time in creating something that sounds pretty amazing. You can change your kits. There's tons of stuff in here that will change the way things sound. This effect even will change what things sound like. So as you go through and click on this and do all your different sounds, it will create a beat in itself. So that's pretty cool to hear what you create. And there's multiple levels that you can do, I think up to 4, which is pretty amazing. So what you're going to do for this is create your own drum beat. You will need to eventually record this somehow. So you can either do a screencastify to record your beat. You can load it on your phone and record it that way. Somehow record the beat that you made on your own for drum beat. You can download and save the file. It creates this strange JSON file that I could come back to Drumbit or Drumbit and update and upload it and open it through there. So if you want to work on it and then save it and then open it again, if I go to open file, I can then go down and find it and and it'll reload the drum bit that you created. Either way, somehow you need to be able to save it and share it on Tech Bingo. And I believe it's one of the last ones. The beat goes on. So on this slide, share your beat either as a link, as a file, as a video that I can watch and view and see. And then don't forget on your Tech Bingo, grab one of these X's and put it on the side. Look forward to hearing what you create. Have a good day.